Good evening to everyone. How are you all, my students? Once again, welcome back to my education journey. Our YouTube channel name is the MRK Academy. So far, students, we are discussed about previously about intermediate courses and examination so far. And now, today's session, we will discuss about the important questions for the BCom students. And Osmania University announced the examination of backlog semester 1, semester 3, semester 5 and semester 6. Now in these 4 semesters students have backlog exams and exams are started from November 23 onwards. So students, my intention to create this video for the most important questions for the examination. If you prepare these questions, students, you will definitely sure to clear your backlogs exams. So we will start in details. Okay, first of all, we need to understand about the question paper pattern about the Osmania University for 2 hours examination. As you all know about, question paper contains 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A contains 20 marks. Each question carry 5 marks. You need to attend any 4 questions out of 8 questions. 5 for the 20. And part B contains total 10 long questions VSQs, and in these 10 questions you have to choose any 4 of your choice. Okay, and each question 15 marks, 15 into 4 marks, 4 long answers, 15 for the 60 marks. In 60 and 20 combined together 80 marks. This is your question paper pattern, same previous 2 hours exams. Now let us come to our subjects. This is for BCom first semester students. The subject is Financial Accounting 1. In this you have, I am giving you the important questions, students. Just note it down or take a screenshot of my important questions. Okay. So total we have 5 units. In 5 units, unit 1 you have some problems as well as theory. So I have mentioned whatever its problem is and theory. So first in unit you have general entries problem. In examination, Osmania University expected this question. General entries, damn sure question. You need to solve it. And then what is financial accounting? Explain the advantages and disadvantages of financial accounting. Write about the accounting concepts and conventions. These are the 3 questions. 2 theory questions, 1 question problem definitely will be there. And second unit, table column cash book problem is asked compulsory. And subsidiary books sometimes may be asked, sometimes maybe not. And explain the various types of subsidiary books. This is the theory question. And moving to third unit, explain about BRS, bank reconciliation statement. This problem maybe two long problem ask or 1 problem ask, and 1 is theory. What is theory? Write about the differences between cash book and passbook. What are the differences between cash book and passbook? This theory may be asked. Okay. And moving for the next 4th unit, rectification of errors. Explain the different types of errors. What are capital receipts and capital expenditure? These are 2 theory and 1 is problem. And most important is there 2 topics is there, rectification of errors and depreciation. So expected to both our questions are asked in this section. And last, final account problems, compulsory final account with adjustments. And explain about the professions of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So students, these are the important questions for financial accounting 1. And for the short questions, write the questions: debit note, credit note, what is contra entry, what is journal, or rectification of errors, trial balance, suspense account. These are the short questions which are asked in a theory, or some questions are also asked. Okay, so go through your previous problems. So now moving to next subject, business economics. These subjects for the students who are pursuing degree 2016, 17, 17, 18 or 18, 19. These are the students should need to write this as exam. Business economics old subject is there. So you have business economics, five chapters. In 5 chapters, 5 units. Five. I'll be giving you three questions in each unit. You need to prepare all the 4 units. Out of this 5 units, according to your opinion, choose any 4 units, and you have to learn that 4 units and write exam well. So what are the questions is there? In unit 1, what is business economics? Explain its natures and characteristics. Write about the differences between micro and macroeconomics concepts. What is law of diminishing marginal utility? Explain the marginal utility. Will suitably draw the diagram in graph. This is first unit. And second unit, explain the law of demand. What are the curves and its exceptions? Define the elasticity of demand and explain its types. What is measurement of elasticity and explain its types? These are the 3 questions for contains for unit 2. And unit 3, explain the law of supply and its features. What is consumer behavior? Explain the indifference curve. What is market equilibrium? Explain the consumer surplus. This is the 3 questions for third unit. And fourth unit, explain the law of variable proportions. Explain the law of return to scale. What is iso cost and isocont? These 3 questions for unit 4. And last, unit 5, explain the concept of cost. Briefly examine the short run as well as long run cost. What is break even analysis? Explain its full concepts. Explain the various types of costs. These are the 5 units. So student, you need to attempt any 4 units according to the COVID rule, 2 hours exams. And moving for the BOM, those students who have backlog 2016, 17, 17, 18 or 18, 19, they have BOM. Old syllabus is there. Business Organization Management. What is business? Explain the objectives and functions of business. What is commerce? Explain the branches of commerce. What is entrepreneur? Explain the steps briefly. These are the 3 questions for unit 1. And moving for the second unit, what is sole proprietorship business? Explain its features, merits and demerits. What is partnership firm? Explain its features, merits and demerits. Explain the merits and demerits of cooperative society. These are the 3 questions for unit 2. And moving to unit 3, what is a joint stock company? Explain its characteristics of joint stock company. Explain about a memorandum of association and article of association. What is prospectus? Explain its contents briefly. These are the 3 questions for unit 3. What are the differences of equity shares and preference shares and debentures? These are the 3 differences contents. What is fixed capital and working capital requirement? Explain its full concept. What is finance? And explain its types. These are the 3 questions for unit 4. And moving forward, what is stock exchange? Explain its functions. What are mutual funds? Explain its roles. What is SEBI? Securities Exchange Board of India. Explain its powers and functions of SEBI. These are the 3 questions contains for unit 5. This BOM, Business Organization Management, for the backlog students only, old batch. And coming to new students, BOM, Business Organization Management, for the batch 2019 to 20 or 20 to 21. These are the students should follow this question paper. BOM, new syllabus. Unit 1, business. What is business? Explain its characteristics and major functions. What is sole trader? Explain the characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. What is partnership firm? Explain its features, advantages, disadvantages. These are the 3 questions which are important for unit 1. And coming to unit 2, what is joint stock company? Explain the characteristics, advantages, disadvantages, and explain the differences between MOA and AOA. Memorandum of Association, Article of Associations. What is prospectus? Explain its contents. These are the 3 questions for unit 2. And coming to unit 3, what is management? Explain the principles of management. What is management and define management and explain its functions of management. What are the scientific management? Briefly explain. These are the 3 questions for unit 3. And moving for unit 4, what is planning? Explain the various steps of planning process and its advantages and disadvantages. What is formal and informal organization and explain their differences? What is MBO, management by objectives? These are the three questions for Unit 4. And at last, Unit 5, what is authority? Explain the various types of authorities and characteristics. What is coordination? Explain the principles and techniques of coordination. And last, what is control and various types of control with effective control. These are the 5 units. Students should have to focus any 4 units and write the exams well. Now, moving to those who are BCom general students, they have foreign trade subject. So foreign trade unit, total 5 units is there. So in each unit I am giving three important questions. So most important questions, follow these questions only, students. First unit, foreign trade and explain its types. Foreign trade, what are the various important documents used in foreign trade? Foreign trade, explain the evolution and characteristics of foreign trade. So in these 3 questions should have to prepare. Moving to unit 2, what are the differences between balance of payment and balance of trade? What is disequilibrium of balance of payment? Explain the causes and correlated. Balance of payment, major components and remedies. These are the 3 questions for unit 2. And moving to unit 3, what is current foreign trade policy? What are the highlights? Export promotion, what is export promotion? Foreign trade policy, what are the various importance and as well as objectives? These are the 3 questions for unit 3. And unit 4, what is trade blocks and what are it the merits and demerits? What is trading blocks and its types? Indian foreign trade, what are the growth and significance? These are the 3 questions for unit 4. Now coming to last unit, unit 5, what is IMF, International Monetary Fund, and what are the objectives and functions of IMF? What is WTO, World Trade Organization? Explain the objectives and features of WTO. And at last question, what is World Bank, and explain the various objectives and features of World Bank. So students should have to select any 4 units and write the exams well and good. For more details, contact to me. And coming to FIT, Fundamental Information Technology, for those students who have previous backlogs, year 2016-17, 17-18 or 18-19, these are the students should follow these information technology as old subject. The 5 unit is there, but FIT question paper pattern is different. In FIT we have total 100 marks, 20 marks as internal, 35 marks as practical and 15 marks as internals. And 50 marks you have external exams. Whatever the center allotted by Osmania University, you need to attend the exams in that center only and write the exams for 50 marks. The question paper contains 2 parts, part A and part B. In part A, they are giving totally 8 questions. Out of these 8 questions, you need to write any 5 questions. Each question carry 2 marks. 2 5s are 10. And in the same way, part B contains totally long 10 questions and you need to attempt any 5 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. 8 5s are 40 marks and 10 marks. And you have examination hours for FIT subjects, become computer or computer application students, totally 1.5 hours is there. So you need to attempt 50 marks paper in 1.5 hours. Okay. Now coming to the old students backlog, the total 5 units is there. First unit, explain about the various generation of computers. What is block diagram of computer? Explain briefly about the input and output devices of computer. This is the first unit of FIT. And second unit, what is operating system and explain its types. Describe the Windows accessories. Write about the DOS, Disk operating system. Explain the internal and external commands. These are the three questions for Unit 2. Moving to Unit 3. What is mail merge and macros? Define word processing. Explain its features and applications. What is editing and formatting text? These are the three questions for Unit 3. Moving to Unit 4. What is menu and toolbars of spreadsheet? Write about different parts of a charts. Explain the formatting text in Excel spreadsheet. These are the important questions for Unit 4. And at last unit, describe the types of presentation slides. Explain the new presentation using templates. What is multimedia and explain the applications and its usage. These are the 5 units old batch students should need to prepare this. According to this 5 units, you have to attempt any 4 units. So best of luck students. This and those who are new syllabus for FIT, those students also I have important questions, so no need to worry about it. You have new students, those who are pursuing 2019-20, 2021 new syllabus FIT, Fundamental Information Technology. The important questions are various generation of computers, block diagram of computers, various input and output devices of computer. These are the 3 questions of Unit 1. Unit 2. What is memory? Explain the primary and secondary memory. Explain about number systems, about binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. These are the questions. And what is binary arithmetic? Help in programming. These are the 3 questions of content Unit 2. Moving to Unit 3. What is system software? What are the various needs and types? What is computer language? Explain with their suitable examples. What is word processing? Explain its various features. These are the 3 questions of Unit 3. Now moving to Unit 4. What is operating system? Explain the functions and types. What is batch processing operating system? And what is the Windows operating system? These are the 3 questions of Unit 4. And at last Unit 5, what is data communication? Explain the characteristics and components of data communication. What is communication network? Explain its various types. And last, what is network topology? What are its various types? These are the 5 units. So best of luck students for your examination. Write the exams well. If you have any queries, any regarding doubts related to the subjects of BCom as well as BBA, you can surely contact to me. I will be explaining each and every topics in my institute also. So for more details you can contact me. If you like the videos, do share, like, comment.